Hi, welcome back to Valley News Live. We're taking a look in Hankinson, where we're seeing a little bit of a breeze down there and some cloudy skies. Now here in Fargo, we're dealing with some partly cloudy skies. That temperature 67 degrees. The wind's blowing out of the south-southeast at 9 miles per hour across the river in Moorhead. It's 64 there. Now looking at the satellite and radar shows some showers and some storms making their way into our region from the southwest. Taking away those clouds, we can get a little bit of a better view of these showers making their way in. Now zooming in on this one, we're seeing less lightning activity than we did earlier as it moves into our region. Still though, some pretty heavy rain moving through. Now those temperatures sitting in the 60s for much of the region, a bit warmer for folks in Lakes Country where we're starting to see some 70s pop up. Now we're going to take a look at the next couple of days because we have some chances for some severe weather. Now this evening we're going to continue seeing these showers and storms make their way through the area. Now here we are about 5 o'clock. We see some storms in the Devil's Lake Basin as well as making their way just south of Lakes Country, so we could see some of those encroach into our area as well. Now as we move later on into the evening, by around bedtime, we're going to see things calm down just a little bit, seeing mostly just some showers, but out near Minot we could see some storms make their way into our region as we move overnight. That's when we are going to see that storm chance continuing, making their way along that I-94 corridor from roughly Jamestown to Valley City. Here we are very early in the morning, about 4:30. Temperatures by that time will still be fairly warm. Much of the area is still sitting in the 50s. Now as we start to wake up around 8 o'clock, a little bit late, we're seeing those showers continue to make their way through the area. A bit of a south breeze, and that south breeze is going to pick up as we move into Wednesday. Things will be a little bit quiet for Wednesday morning, but we're going to see some hot and humid conditions. By lunchtime, already seeing much of the area into the 70s and places in the mid to upper 60s in the north. Now as we move through the evening, we're going to still have that little bit of a break, but as we head off to bed about 10 o'clock, that's when we're going to start to see those storms enter from the west, already seeing some for folks up along the border. Now as we move overnight, we're going to see that storm chance continuing, and then as we move into the morning on Thursday, that's when we're going to see those chances for some storms for folks in the Southern Valley. Now here we are about lunchtime, those storms continuing to push their way into the region, moving through Lakes Country as we move into the afternoon and the evening. Finally, those storms making their way into northwestern Minnesota. So a jam-packed next couple of days with that chance for storms continuing for much of the time. Tomorrow morning, though, things will be pretty calm. Much of the area sitting in the 50s with some showers here and there. Now, we're going to continue seeing this chance for storms and showers each evening on Tuesday, tonight, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday both look like all-day rain events. And then Mother's Day, things dry out and are looking pretty pleasant. Temperatures near 70, and those temperatures near 70 stick around into next week.
Yeah, I like seeing all those 70s up there.
Me too.
Sticking around.
Yes.
That means we're going into, well, we are in spring, but
Yeah,
it hasn't felt like
summer's getting
it.
closer.
Yes,
yeah.
exactly. All right, thank you so